chains were low, things were running out a lot, or they don't sell art glitter glue during the winter seasons and things like that, like weird little things like that. So there's a cool odd one. So yeah, so that's kind of the Paper Outpost store, and that's how that works. And what else? Oh, my Etsy shop. Okay, so I have a little Etsy shop, and I have about 74 different vintage digital kits in there. And my goal is to organize it better so that you can go into categories, and I really have dropped the ball on that. So I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to do that this week. And so if you're looking for birds, because I have enough now where it merits organizing. Before I didn't have enough to organize, but now I think I have enough to organize. But they will still stay. There's a category called all. If you just want to see them all and you're just like slowly leafing through, you know, trying to decide what you want to get, you can do that. Or you can look at them according to category once I get that done, which it doesn't take me long. I just need to do it. So vintage digital kits are always available there. And what I can tell you is occasionally somebody will buy something and they have a hard time figuring out how to download it. Just contact me and I will give you tips and tricks on how to do that. Some are dependent on, did you use your, oh, here's the big one. Sometimes people have multiple accounts and they don't realize it. They have one account on their phone and one account on their computer and a different account maybe on their iPad. And so they'll buy it and they'll say, hey, I bought it, but I can't find it. Well, often it is under another account name and username and password. Oh, that's a big one. The other one is they don't scroll down far enough to actually see the links to the download. And so sometimes I'll get a email that somebody contacts me on Etsy and they said, oh, I can't find my files. I don't see them. I know I purchased them. I see that I successfully purchased it. Can't find them. Can you help? And then they'll have already answered before I got a chance to get back to them. And I do check every day to see if there's any concerns. So you're not left hanging. But they'll say, oh, never mind. I found it. I just didn't go down far enough. And that's bar none. I hear that all the time. And so I encourage you to scroll down. And I don't know whether you're on a phone, an iPad, or a computer, but I do have some instructions that will help you out. And I put the basic instructions right on the digital pages, on the Etsy pages. But if you didn't see it or didn't happen to notice it, I have a more in-depth one that I will email to you. We are at the bottom of this. And it will walk you through exactly where to look and how to find stuff, depending on whether you're using a phone, an iPad, or a computer. And it's different on each one of them. And okay, now we get the joy of putting it all back together again. Okay. So yeah, this was a longie, and we're past 2 hours now. Holy macaroni. Are you still with me? You can't still be with me. I probably have lost you. I wouldn't be surprised. Yes, so there's that. And there was just something else I was going to tell you about. Okay, now I need to decide who's going what and where. The old system was good. So maybe we'll put you back in there, and we'll put you back in here because you were useful and helpful in your strange little odd ways. Now, who's going where? Okay, I think I'm going to put you guys. Oh, look at all these Brads. Should I separate them? Or should they not even go in here? Maybe they should go in the drawer of metal things. Yeah, maybe you should. Because you're not out of your little houses. Well, let's see. We've got big paper clips, little paper clips. Maybe I don't need so many different sections. I need something for here, the gourds. I need small paper clips. And then I need big paper clips. Maybe I've got too many organized. Oh, I think I can take some of these out. Can I take? No, they're forever. Hang on. Okay, I have these. I thought maybe I could use these to organize in here, and maybe I can put... I seem to have a lawnmower guy outside my window. Sorry about that. He just came along. Didn't ask me. Nope. Nobody asked me. Okay, now I know my drawer is closed because I tested this earlier. But, oh, really? You're not going to fit that way? I don't think it's going to fit with that. We might have to not use any of you. And, oh, you're really going to come by here, aren't you? Hang on a minute, let me just... Okay, now we stop. Oh, now we start. Okay, hang on. Okay, we're going to carry on because apparently I have to leave very soon. So I have to finish this video. I hope that's not too noisy for you. Okay, so I gathered all my big ones and I'm going to stick them up front here. There, that's where they're going to go. All right, now I was thinking, come here. I might just keep this in here. These are my little paper clips because they sort of fit. And why mess with what's working, right? So this looks completely different from what I'm using before, but I'm going to just put these halfway there. Now everybody will sit down nicely. Sit down nicely. Sit down nicely. Okay. All right, so now I need, those are little paper clips. Here's big paper clips. And I use a lot of big paper clips, so let me put these in the front. All right. Big paper clips. That's a lot of little paper clips. I need to use more little paper clips for little things. I do like the big ones though, because they really anchor things well. Well, we're gonna have more paper clips. Maybe I can color the leftovers into different colors. Maybe that's what I'll do. All right, let me put a few more in here. Now they can't go too high or I won't be able to shut the door. Close, close. Okay, down, down, down. And I can color those, yep. I'll do a multicolor. Okay, I have to do this fast though because I have to leave. All right, so here is little bulb pins. Seems like a big container for little bulb pins, but I do use those a lot. If I know if I have them, then I can see how many I have. So there's my bulb pins. Okay, what else do you have, Pam? What else do you have? Oh, can I fit that there? No, that probably won't work. Okay, but there is more room over there. I have to remember that. Will it fit? Oh, come on, get in there. Get in there and whoop. Oh, like almost. Yep, it's a little tight. A little tight. Might have to construct something. But I think I could put another little tray over here if need be. Okay, so, and the last one, I think I'm going to put the oddities. Yes. So let me put my oddities in there. Here's my elastics. We'll put you somewhere else because you just get all tied up on the metal thing, so you are not going to be in there. All right, so oddities. I'm just going to grab handfuls of oddities because I have a lot of oddities. So these are all the oddities. Coming here, grabbing, putting oddities in here. And these are going to be, I'm going to be able to use these now. I think I'm going to put my brads somewhere else because there's just not room. Or if I find I have more brads elsewhere. So that's why I'm thinking I want to put them elsewhere. So here we go. Yeah, why all of a sudden now is it an emergency to finish, right? How does that happen? Like lollygag in here for 2 hours plus, and all of a sudden, we gotta go. My husband just reminded me of an appointment. I'm like, oh, we gotta go. Okay, and I don't want to end the video and then come back later because I don't know how to attach the 2 pieces. Well, there's probably gonna be more than 2 pieces, but it's just time to wrap things up. And you know, sometimes you gotta put a little fire under your bonnet and get things done. And I think I can, no, I think I put those somewhere else. Oh yeah, my paper, these attachers. I can put these in here. I like these. Yeah, let's take those. So there we go. I think we did pretty good considering, you know, I mean, hey, we shared some time. We had good times and we are carrying on. So I hope you had fun here. I hope you, let me insert it back in the drawer because I know you like to see it go back in the drawer. Hold on. And there she is, all back in the drawer. Now I was so scared I was going to accidentally drop her or she was going to fall out before I put her back in. But there she is. And there she goes back in. Yeah. And let me pull her out again just so you can see. Ooh, I'm so excited to use my paper clips and my safety pins. So there you go, folks. Have an awesome day. And take care. And I will see you next time. Happy crafting and happy organizing. Take care. Bye.